You guys, I just came back from my class. So, and then I went to pick my son from school, branch the market. Let me give your sister too. On that light for me. Let me show you my dress. That top from Timu. I don't even know which one is the right side, which one is the wrong side. I don't wear it like that. As I look in my big tummy. You go. What is wrong with children? They should leave my video. You should leave my video. I just used it to wrap myself because it has been raining in Lagos. And yeah. And my one and only handbag. And my one and only slippers. I'm sure you have seen that slippers all over my video. So that's the only slippers I have. Aside my Crocs. When I have one, I'm gonna do shopping for feet. I don't have money now, so let me put it on.
My daughter didn't do that.
Thank you, God bless you. Hey, hunger, I want to tear my eye. I hope your daddy's stew is sweet though. It's sweet though. Ah, hunger, oh God. I'm grateful for a husband that can cook oh. While I cross my leg, pressing phone. I'm so hungry. I need to daddy bring tray now. With his village song that is playing in the background. Hopefully it will not disturb my video.
Like you're not drinking water, I'm suspecting.
I'm drinking now.
At least have you drank 3 water?
I'm stable with 2 liters now. Sorry, Mama. I've been stable with 2 liters. You know, can't carry tray. I bring tray. So I'm out. Sit here, Mama.
This is all my adventure. Makes it for me.
I daddy's food used to be sweet. Used to put a lot of salt inside the cup and now pour those soup.
Shebi, maybe that's what I should do.
That's why it's so sweet.
It's so sweet.
Used to pour the salt inside the food.
Since salt is raining now.
I'm telling you.
I'll go buy salt.
You buy.
Let's say buy from there. I buy.
I will tell you.
You know, complain say my rice not dummy. Now the quality of rice now. Listen now.
See as Mama color the baby. Definitely say this thing go wash. Which kind of color is this?
The color is damaged, baby.
That's Yola. Girl said.
Looks like
I'm
striped
telling you.
tiger.
To make her hair. So I have my shine and jam. I have my Brazilian wool, which I'd already sectioned into 4, 5 because I'll try and make it into 4. So this is what I did. And yeah. And then the comb, our ribbons, shea butter, and this is our rosemary spray. We're using shine and jam. I have to give her cartoon to watch. So this is the progress. 2 to go. So I'm still going to add more ribbon. So this one is just to hold. Even though I bond it with using my lighter, I bond it with lighter. So I'm on fire. It's running too. Let's see. Guys, I'm done. Let me see if I can on light. I hope if my lighting is good enough. Okay. As I was looking. I'm tired. Got all my tools. That everywhere. just so that only her laptop tab. Our brother's one, I even went to keep it. Anyway, anything that will make her sit for the hair looks good. Hi guys, it's been a while I've spoken to you guys, and that's because I've not picked up my camera for like weeks. I'm not feeling fine. So, I've been going for classes, and in case I didn't mention, I started a class on something, and I've been in and out of the house. I've been very busy, quite stressful. So, the last class I went for, I was just sneezing, scratching my ears, my throat. It was just itching me seriously, and the weather has just been somehow in Lagos this period. In Nigeria generally, the weather has just been so cold, and everybody's literally under the weather. So I said, okay, let me branch and take malaria medication, which I used to, Amatem soft gel, because it's very mild. It doesn't smell, it has no taste, so it's just easy to take and be able to complete the dose. That was how I took it though that night. My goodness, hey, I was shaking. It just reminded me of how I felt when I gave birth to my daughter. Like I was shaking, vibrating. My husband used, sorry, there's a church. I don't even know why I'm not wearing my mic to reduce this whole noise. I'm sorry, please just manage it. When my body was shaking with even everything, my husband had to give me hot tea. There's nothing that I didn't do. I was shaking till the next day, literally. I was so scared. But we thank God, I'm getting better, and I have a trip in the next 1 week. From now that I'm filming this video, in the next 5 days. Today is a Sunday. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, in the next 6 days. Obviously, you see everything. And most importantly, I want to go and eat something in that city. That city is where I grew up in. That's where I lived most of my life. That's where I schooled. That's where I did everything. That's where my parents' house is. And I want to go and eat something that I've been craving for long that I cannot find in Lagos State. So anyway, I said let me come and show my face. I've not picked up my camera for like, I can't even remember, if not a month. But you will notice because I always schedule my videos, and these are some of the reasons why I say I like to schedule my videos, because there are times that I'm not really in the mood to talk or to film anything. I just want to day my day. I just want to be on my own and not do shit and not be bothered about anything. See, you guys, it's not like anybody's watching my video. There's only one soul that literally watches my video so well, judiciously. And every other person that watches my video, I appreciate it. Even if it's 8 of you, sometimes I have only 8 views. That bad. Yeah. I have only 20 something views, 30 something views. We have not even entered the range of, say, we are stable in 100 views. And I don't really care. Let me not lie. I don't really care. Okay, do I care? Because I'm making money. See, you see, there was one video I watched, one vlogger, one YouTuber like that. She has other channels, and she was like, don't depend on one channel if it's all about money. Don't depend on one channel, because if not that, she has another channel that brings money, and she's doing tutorials, like tutorials on how to get this on YouTube, how to do this on YouTube. People really like such videos, finance, how to make money, so all those kind of videos. So if not that video, in fact that's the video that birthed every other of her channel. And she just decided to be vlogging, even though they even demonetized one of her channel. They took down the old channel. She lost that. She has been through a lot anyway on YouTube street. And she was saying her vlogging channel, she was given the revenue for 1,000 views. And 1,000 views gave her $1. As in $1. $1 and like 5 cents or so. $1 for 1,000 views. So you can imagine. Me, I don't want to review my own, because as at this moment I'm talking to you, I have like, let me check. And you guys, if you've been following me there, one or two of you, if you've really seen how when I mentioned I was monetized, and even before I even mentioned I was monetized, before then I had already been monetized before then. So if you see what I have now, let me show you. don't know. Let me focus it. Let me see if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it, Sha. You see YouTube, and that's why I always tell people, even my class people, like, yeah, you want to make money on YouTube, all good and well. But first of all, first before any other thing, obviously most vloggers, they vlog because they love vlogging. That's what they have. That's what they have to offer. That's their life. That's what they know how to share. That's what they know how to do best. They like to vlog. So people that do vlogging, they actually love it, because if it's about the money, they are not really saying the money like that. And the ones that are saying the money, you could tell how long and how hard it took for them to do it, to even get to that point. It's a lot. It's a lot. So last I have peace of mind in a way, because I mean, I like what I'm doing. I mean, I've been doing videos. I just love to record. It just gives me a sense of purpose. Like, I have something to always do, keep me on my toes. Like I said, I'm a housewife. Even though I do other things at the side, it's just something I have passion for. If you didn't know, I read computer science in school, so I picked one or two things. I picked one or two things, and if it's editing, I love social media stuffs. I mean, almost all of us in this world now, with the way the world is going, we all binge on social media things, and I just love to edit. I love to I pay for cloud. I pay for cloud. I pay for my cloud, and I'm about to pay for 1 terabyte just because of the amount of things I have stored. I love memories. I love when Google Photos tell me this happened so and so year ago. Look back at what happened so and so year ago. Do you get? So last people that vlog, they just love doing it. Trust me, they love that thing before the money. And if you're entering into YouTube and you say that's what you want to do, don't put your mind on the money first though. And that person I was even talking about is someone that has, when they say subscribers, she's almost 100k subscribers on another channel. And even with people from that channel knowing her lifestyle, they want to see her lifestyle, she's not still saying it that much. Sometimes you see her video 300 views in 1 month. 300 people just viewed it. Is that bad? Now imagine the amount of people that will watch the adverts. And you know, most times we skip adverts. If 300 people watch your video, how many of the 300 people didn't skip the adverts for you to not get paid? That's just basically it. So it's, well, the good thing is that I'm not just throwing out content anymore, even if it's 1 cent. Like the girl said, that she's happy because even if it's 1 cent they are giving her, she's happy with it. She will swallow her 1 cent. It's a hard work. After all, she was even uploading these things for free. So now that she can get 1 or 2 cents from it, why won't she still continue? You get? So that should be your push if at all you want to go into vlogging. But we thank God. If you see, I even have blister on my mouth. Like, you guys, it was something. And the fact that some people are like, that message is not good though, it seems to affect somebody, they didn't even complete their dose. And I'm like, have I been buying the fake? Because the way this one affected me now, the other ones never affected me that way. In fact, those ones, I'm like, did I even have malaria before even going to treat malaria? You know, that kind of stuff. To tell you how mild it was, I don't know, I'm not using my mic, sorry again. And now the way this one affected me, I'm like, is this the original? Well, I don't even know, but thank God I'm getting better. I cannot talk. If I couldn't even talk. Anyway, I'm getting my energy small, my groove. And I will catch you on. Now I'll start vlogging. I'll try. I'll film 1 or 2 things here and there and take you along with me on my trip. It's a very early flight, like 7 a.m. flight, and it's making me remember when my sister was going back. Our flight was for 7 a.m. in the morning. They almost missed the flight. She and my husband, the way they were running to the airport, they almost missed the flight. So this one, we can't miss it. I'm traveling with children. I must be on time. I must leave this our house 5 a.m. so I'll get to the airport on time. And yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, we don't miss our flight. I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe when I'm doing my hair, because I've not called though. Let me know, like, I've not called my hairdresser. I want to call her. I'm not yet decided on the hairstyle I want to do yet. I don't know because I'm a in-house person. I just rarely do my hair. I don't like people touching my hair. I don't have energy to sit down making hair. So my hair is always like this. Or maybe it's just a me thing that I'm not touch enough. Or I'm not, how will I call it? I'm not well put together enough, maybe, I don't know, call it whatever it is, but I derive my peace as far as nobody is dragging my skull. And that's why I don't comb my hair. The day I lose my hair, if I pack it like this, that's the end. I just use brush. Let me show you the brush I use. I just use this brush to always brush my hair, and once I just brush my hair, brush it and tie it very well. That's it. I don't go deep because hair, they used to pay me. I'm the child that they cut my hair multiple times because of hair. I'm always shouting my hair. My baby is even strong. She stays for her hair. If I say, Mama, let me make your hair, she'll go and even bring all the things I want to use to make our hair. So it's annoying me that I don't use my mic. That's why I'm shouting. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Then I will make my nails. I will also need to buy 1 or 2 things in the market. I also want to check something for my uncle in the market. Then I want to cut my son's hair because I will travel 26 and I will be back 28 because my son's graduation is 29. So you see how close it is. Like, I'm just appearing and disappearing. I graduated to foreign school. We thank God, though. God has been faithful. And thank God we've even gone to the market. I'm sure you must have seen that video to buy a suit. My week is gonna be packed. I've talked for like 8 minutes. Bye.